Hi guys, welcome back to Kali J's Kitchen. In today's video, I'll take you guys back in the kitchen with me and I'll show you how to prepare these amazing banana fritters. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notification bell so you guys can always be notified whenever I upload a new video. Go ahead and tell your friends, tell your family members about Kali J's Kitchen and have them subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram, it's KaliKitchen_1, and also on Facebook, it's Kali J's Kitchen. So in a large bowl, I'm gonna go in with two large ripe bananas. And first, you always want to ensure that you remove the skin from your banana before you go ahead and start crushing it. Now, you can opt to use a fork to crush your banana, or if you have a potato masher at home, you can always go ahead and use your potato masher. However, I do not have one, so I'm just gonna use my fork to just crush my banana nicely. And you always want to ensure that you crush your ripe banana as smooth as possible. Now, all of these ingredients that I'm using today, you can get it at your local supermarket or grocery shop. Remember to be creative, remember to be you in the kitchen, and most of all, utilize whatever you have at home. You can visit your local farmers market, and of course, you'll get ripe banana there as well. You can always go ahead and prepare these amazing ripe banana for breakfast. You can always go ahead and prepare it for the entire family. If you're having a breakfast party, you can always go ahead and add some banana fritters. Once my banana is crushed nicely, I will go in and add some sugar just to add some sweetness. Not a lot of sugar, just a small amount. And I will also go in and add all of my spices. And you can always go ahead and check the description box for all of the ingredients that I'm using. I will also go in and add some of my vanilla flavoring, and they do have the mixed spice in the liquid. You can always go ahead and try that one out. And once I add all of that goodness, including some salt, I will just combine everything together. So just to note guys, I will be using regular counter flour today. However, if you have plantain flour at home that you want to use, you can always go ahead and use your plantain flour, or you can always go ahead and use your cassava flour. Whichever one works perfectly fine. Once I add my flour, I will just combine everything together nicely before I add the water. Now, some persons tend to add coconut milk instead of the water, and that is okay. You can always opt to use almond milk, coconut milk, or you can simply use some water. I will not be adding too much water to this because I don't want my batter to be too runny or too thick. Once my batter comes together nicely, I will just put it to the side for roughly about 15 minutes. So like I said, you can always go ahead and check the description box for all of the ingredients that I'm using. And you guys can always go ahead and try to be creative and just try to be you. So just in case you just want to add something else to your banana fritters, you can always go ahead and leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you think or what else you would add to your banana fritters. So now it's time to go ahead and of course start frying my banana fritters. So I have my frying pot. I added some vegetable oil. I allow it to hot and I turn my stove on medium heat, and then I'm just going to use my big kitchen spoon to just take up a large amount, and I'm just going to add it. I don't want my fritters to be too big, so I'm trying to just take up as much as possible, but in small portions. And of course, we want our banana fritters to fry nicely on both sides. So we're just gonna allow them to fry on one side until golden brown, and then we're gonna flip them over on the other side so that the other side can fry. Now, you don't have to have your banana fritters with any meat. You can always go ahead and have it by itself, all right? So you don't have to worry about adding meat. However, if you want to add a little bit of vegetable, you can always go ahead and have some cook up vegetable with your banana fritters. So this is it. My fritters, they're all finished frying. So we're just going to take up our fritters and of course drain off the excess oil. And we're also going to place them on this plate that is lined with paper towel, because you always want to ensure that the excess oil is drained nicely. And once we remove all of our fritters from the hot oil, we're going to go ahead and add the rest of the banana fritters batter to the hot oil, and it's the same thing. I'm going to use my big kitchen spoon to take up a large amount, but I don't want my fritters to be too big. All right, and then we're just gonna put it in the hot oil and allow it to fry. And you don't want to take up too much of that fritters batter, hence the reason I'm using this size spoon. And again, you just want to ensure that the fritters is fried nicely on both sides until golden brown. And once one side is golden brown, you just flip it over on the other side. And please note that I turn my stove on medium heat. We don't want our fritters to burn, and they tend to burn very easily, so you have to be careful. And basically, this is it, the final product of my amazing banana fritters. I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. I hope you guys go ahead and try it out and let me know what you think. Remember to subscribe to my channel. Remember to turn on your post notification bell. We're on our way to 10K subscribers. Help me get there by subscribing and sharing with your families and their friends. Thank you again for watching, and see you tomorrow. Bye guys.